And we are in front of the new Vanturer 600 for the 2025 season with this new Fiat Ducato design in the front. And we have also the pop-up roof. We shall be going inside and check all the specs and features, starting with 62,000 euros. And well, we shall be going inside, and we have an pretty nice deep cabinet design with white darker tones. And yes, I really like this style where you can fold this down and use that space if you need it. Still, we have the table with the slide out and the sitting area, just like the Knaus version. You can slide out and get much more space when sitting two adults. Let's get back with it. And then we have a big cabinet on top, and we have Dometic 2-cooker stove and 1 sink. On this side we have 3 large cabinets and additional storage right up there. On the top part we have the Vitfrigo fridge. Pretty big. And under it we have additional cabinet. And I'm looking here to a fun part for this actual new system with the actual sink and the toilet. There's not cassette toilet, but it's a different style. So take out your trash. Then I think that you can fold this part out and get a fully operational shower around there. And getting on the back side, we are looking into a pretty wide garage, but let's measure firstly the actual bed size. 1.4 from this side, and that should be almost enough. 1.475, pretty wide bed with pretty deep double cabinets on both sides. Not bad at all. And if we measure the actual garage compartment, it's 1.357, but it has a widest part of 1.8, or actually 1.3. Not bad at all. Pretty great Vanturer van. And let's have a look on the outside of this van.